I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad for weight loss. We will focus on simple, delicious methods to transform a classic dish into a healthier option. By making smart ingredient swaps and being mindful of preparation, you can enjoy this creamy favorite without compromising your health goals. This easy approach helps you create a satisfying meal in about 20 minutes of active preparation time. For our healthier macaroni salad, smart ingredient choices are key. Opt for whole wheat elbow macaroni, which offers more fiber than regular pasta. Instead of traditional mayonnaise, use plain, non-fat Greek yogurt for a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Load up on colorful vegetables like bell peppers and celery, and consider adding a lean protein such as grilled chicken or chickpeas for a more filling meal. Preparing this lighter macaroni salad is incredibly simple. First, cook about 1 cup of whole wheat elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then rinse it with cold water. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Finally, gently fold in your cooked pasta, all the fresh, diced vegetables and any added protein. Chill for at least 30 minutes before serving. To truly maximize the benefits of your healthy macaroni salad, remember a few key tips. Always measure your ingredients to ensure accurate calorie tracking. Don't be afraid to experiment with fresh herbs like dill or chives to add vibrant flavor without extra fat. This salad keeps well in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, making it perfect for meal prep. Enjoy it as a satisfying lunch or a delicious, guilt-free side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.